Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Friday, July 6th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. I believe this is a paid for from EocuSun. We'll take a look inside. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. You guys can purchase one of these at a low cost. And we have here, what is this? Alright, what do we have here, folks? Pull-up assistance bands from EocuSun, sleeping pad, ultralight, comfy, waterproof air mattress, camping. Oh, sweet. Let me show you guys what this is. And of course you guys could get one and check them out. Let's see what this is all about. It's like a camping mattress. Here's that, EocuSun. Sun, fun in the sun. Summertime. Let's see. Give me 1 minute. Almost there. There we go. Now this is the ultralight mattress. Whoa. This is, hold on 1 second. Let me double check something. Yes, it is from EocuSun. This is the mattress. Check them out. I ain't gonna do the full inflation. I just don't have the time today. So I do apologize. Go. And now, what do we have here? Resistance band is suitable for men and women. Oh boy. Oh, these are the resistant bands, workout bands. Oh boy, EocuSun. These are cool. Stretch them out during your workouts. Get your flex on. Really cool stuff. Check them out, YouTubers. You guys have a good weekend. EocuSun, Amazon Prime. Alright, be safe.